Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel. Let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. So I have this data in which I have employees ID, the name, their salary and their join date, etc. So for example, I want to create a 10% bonus in the salary. So how can I create the 10% bonus in the salary? Let's see. As we were learning about the custom column in Excel Power Query, so we will use that option to create a 10% bonus for the salary. For example, select your data, go to data tab and then select from table ring. This will take your data into the Power Query as it is more easier to edit your data in Power Query than Excel, and we are learning about add column section and custom column options. So that's why we are using this option. If we click on custom column here, we can name that column as annual bonus and we can put our formula here. This will show annual bonus only. This is multiplying salary by 0.1%. This will show 10% of the salary. You can either write the bonus or you can add it into the salary. To do this, what we can do is we can write formula like this: salary plus salary into 0.1%. As I don't want to multiply both with this, so what I will do is I will put a small bracket over here and then a small bracket over here. Now this will multiply salary with 0.1% and then add it to the original salary, and then we select OK. So we will move this near to the salary so we can see the difference. Let's move it over to the salary. It's here. It was 52,000 before. Now after adding the bonus, it's 57,000. Here the same 63 and then it's 69. So hopefully you understand how you can do easy calculations with the simple formulas in Power Query. As I think the formulas are more difficult in Excel and it's easier to understand M language than the Excel formulas, especially if you are a beginner. When I was beginner, I used to understand these formulas better than the Excel formulas. So hopefully you have learned something new. If you liked this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about custom column option in Excel, today we will do the country code depending on the location by using M language formula in Power Query. So for example, I only have location and I want to add country code column as well. So what we will do is we'll take this data into Power Query by taking anywhere in data and then go to data tab and then select from table ring. Now we have our data in Power Query, and what we will do is we will go to add column section and here we will do custom column, and here we will name this as country code and then we will put a formula here. So if the location is equal to London, then the country code will be UK. Otherwise, if the location is Paris, then the country code is FR France, and if the location is Berlin, then Denmark DE, and if the location is New York, then US else no. Now what we will do is we will select OK. As you can see here, we have country code. Now we will move it closer to the location so we can see. As you can see, it added a country code for each city. So hopefully you understand how you can use M query formulas to add new custom column in your data depending on the data you already have. So hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. I have this data over here in which I have employee ID, full name, the join dates and their salaries and remarks, etc. So I already have this employee ID, but I want to create an employee ID using a mix of their employee ID, department and the join year. We can do this by using a custom column option in Power Query itself by using M language formula. So what we will do is we will take our data to Power Query by clicking anywhere in the data and then go to data tab and select from table ring. Now this will take your data into the Power Query. So I want to add custom columns. I will go to add column and then to custom column, and here I want to add a unique employee ID. So what I will do is I will name this as unique employee ID. Now I will write a formula here. I want the original employee ID which we have over here, and then I want a dash, and then I want text dot start here. So I want two first letters from the department. For example, HR, so already have two, so this will add HR, but in the finance it will only add FI, and then again a slash or a dash, and then I want the date here from the join date. So I only need year. I don't need the month and the day. I only need year. So that's why I'm using date dot year in text form. That's it. This is M language formula, and then select OK. Now you can see I have unique employee ID in which I have the original employee ID, the department, first two letters of the department, a dash, and then a dash again, and 2018. Let's move this over to the employee ID so we can see. So I am just clicking and dragging to the employee ID and I will put it over here. Now you can see I have the department and the year. This is great for creating unique IDs across dataset, and it's very useful when you are merging or appending table with no reliable key, and then helps to maintain data consistency consistency doing the transformation. So hopefully you have learned something new. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about conditional column in Power Query Excel. As you can see, I have order ID, customer names, regions, and their amount and their order date. And I want to create a conditional column based on order date, and I will name it as order period. That when they ordered during the month time, did they order at the start of the month or the end of the month. So to do this, add this column, what we need to do is we need to make sure that our order date is in date form. As you can see here, our order date, you can see this little icon over here which is showing that this is a date. Now we need to go to conditional column section. If we click on this, we can name a new column name. We will name it as order period, and then if the column name order date, if the order date is before 15th, so if the date is before the 15th, then the output will be the early month. But if the output is greater than 15 or something else, then the output will be late month, and then select OK. Now you can see here, as I only had the data for the January and I want to create a new column which will tell me the order period if it's early month or it's late month. So in this way you can create your own column by using conditional column over here and putting down your condition, and then you will get this type of result. So hopefully you understand what is conditional column and how to use it. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about conditional column in Power Query Editor. I have this data over here in which I have customer, the region, and their amounts, and I want to give them a category depending on their amounts, and I want to add an extra column based on a condition. So what we will do is we will go to add column section, and then in the add column section we have conditional column option as well. So as we were learning about conditional column, let's use this option to add a column based on a condition. So what we will do is we will click on this conditional column option, and here we can give a name. We'll give this column name as category, and then if the column amount is less than 100, then the output will be low. And then we can add one more clause. If you see over here, you can see this option add clause. So you can add one more condition in here. So we will click on this add clause and we will do else if the amount is less than 500, then the output will be medium. Otherwise, give it high, because we only have one condition left now. We will just give it as high. So any amount which will be less than 100, the output will be low, and any amount less than 500, the output will be medium, and other values higher than 500 will get the output as high. Now select this OK button. Now you can see over here you have a category option over here, and you have low, medium, and high category ratings for your amounts by using conditional column and creating a custom column depending on the condition you decide. So hopefully you have learned something new and you know now what is a conditional column in Excel, Power Query Editor, and how to use to create custom column based on a condition. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos guys. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about conditional column in add column section. So I have this data in which I have customer, order ID, the regions, and amount in order date, and I want to group them in the region by adding urban and rural group regions. So what I will do is I will take my data into Power Query, and here I will use conditional column. So I will click on the conditional column and I will name my column name as region group, and then if the column name region is equals to east, then give output as urban, and then I will add one more clause, and then here selecting the region again is equals to west, then give urban again, as east and west are in urban group and the other two, north and south, are in rural group. So I will add the condition for these two, and I will do else rural. But this will add rural for north and south. Then select OK. So now I have urban for east and west, and for the north I have rural, and for the south I have rural as well. So hopefully you understand how to use conditional column option to add your custom condition based column and organize your data. Hopefully you understand conditional column today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.